Hello, my name is Edward Jordan, and today I'll be talking about the effect of bullying in our society. What is bullying? I'll tell you. Bullying is the aggressive behavior that involves a real or perceived power imbalance. With bullying, there can be some serious, lasting problems. Problems for the one who's being bullied, such as depression, low self-esteem, health complaints, anxiety, isolation. The person who is being bullied will then begin to think that they are worthless, that they have no worth in their school, in their job. They begin to have insecurities, they feel inadequate. So there is a serious problem in the effect of being bullied, and it's a very lasting impact. So let's talk about the effect on the bully itself. Alcohol abuse, drug abuse, isolation, early sexual activity, abuse towards personal relationships like family members, best friends, and girlfriend, boyfriend. So a person who is bullying has anger problems, obviously, and they begin to isolate themselves because they feel this power imbalance, and so they just want to take control, and so that causes them to feel powerful and have feel more in control of their life and want to do things on their own, and that causes serious problems like alcohol abuse and drug abuse, which could happen in an overdose and they could die. So how can we help? Talk about it, counsel them, teach them forgiveness, forgive them, create a safe environment, and use consequences to teach, especially in schools and in colleges and universities, using those consequences to teach them life lessons and how to control their anger issues. How can we help the victim? One of the most important ones of this list is just assuring the victim that it is not their fault. That is the most important thing, because they think that it's their fault and that they did something wrong. So how can we as a church, how can the church help? How? I'll tell you, right here. Boom. Pray with them, counsel the parents, and teach them how to support and comfort the victim, the child, their own child. Remind the victim of their identity and who they are in Christ. Teach them to forgive, disciple them to portray the image of Christ. That is how you can help them, especially an adult who is seeking counseling. The church can counsel them to support himself and teach him how to learn to forgive and other things as well. How can the church help the bully? I will tell you right here. Teach them to ask forgiveness. Counsel them on self-control. Pray over them, rebuking the attack of the enemy. The devil is a liar, okay? Disciple groups, that will definitely help. And counseling the parents, especially parents who are not really involved in their son's life and their daughter's life, counsel parents to offer support. That is important. Everybody, that's important, and especially for parents who aren't involved in their lives, or who the child is in a broken household. It's important for the church to counsel them and teach them to be involved. So, in all, the bully and the bullied are both important. And I want to kind of share a parable that I like. It's in Matthew 13. It says, "Again, the kingdom of heaven is like a merchant looking for fine pearls. When he found one of great value, he went away and sold everything that he had." So how does this relate with the bully, the victim, how does that relate at all? I'll tell you. Boom! We are the valuable pearl in God's eyes. He would give up everything to have us. So God would give up everything. He gave up his son, and he'll do it again because he loves you. He loves the bully. He loves the bullied. So, no matter who you are, no matter what you did, you matter. Whether bully or victim, you are of great value to God, and it's serious. We as a church, we need to recognize how God values them as great pearls. We need to be the Jesus in our society, helping them find their values as great pearls to God. Once again, I want to remind you that no matter who you are of great value to God. No matter who you are, you matter. Thank you.